What? It's recording. Why are you whistling? Yeah, that's odd. It's not recording. Look. See? See, it's saying stop record. Wait, it is recording. Oh, hello! Today we're playing Fortnite, and I knew it was recording. They were saying it wasn't. So, today I'm a toaster, as you can see. I'm just what you put in the bin. Also, I've reached level 100. Yay! Finally, yay. That's really all I have to say, I guess. Anyway, what do you think next season's gonna be like? I think it might be. I've watched YouTubers, right? And it's saying that next season could be another Marvel season. Quite would enjoy that because I missed the Marvel season. I started playing Chapter 2, Season 5. But yeah, it might be another Marvel season. Maybe we'll see Hulk. I might wear him for like 2 matches. Whoa. I might wear him for like, this is the way thing. I might wear him for like 2 matches because he's probably going to be the right? But also could be about elements. There's the Ice King and the Prisoner and yeah, look, I don't know. Oh yeah. I'm gonna next round try the garden. To see if he's my lucky spin. That is my lucky spin. Oh, didn't it? Probably not. Where are we gonna land? Tell Darth Vader. I'm gonna land here. Wait, this is right. Toaster, what are you doing? I think near there was UFO. Wait, where's Darth Vader? There. I'm gonna jump. Why did I jump? Wait, why did I jump? Breather. Ask yourself this. Why would you ever jump? Also, I'm changing my land and I'm going to like easier. Closer to the okay. Here. That was way over there. And it's all the way over here. And that's closer, right? Thanks. Also, you have to admit, this glider is just Gyarados and Fortnite, right? You know the Pokemon Gyarados? It's Gyarados. Okay? It is Gyarados. What? You don't think it's Gyarados? It's Gyarados, okay? You think it's Gyarados now? Look at it. I think its other style probably looks more like a Gyarados. I don't know why, but Fortnite, why did you add Gyarados? Fortnite, epic. I'm fine with it. Why wouldn't I be fine with it? Hello? Where's the UFO? Guys, where's my UFO gone? I don't have a gun to cover this. Where's my UFO? Oh my goodness. Where's my UFO? What? Okay. How did that happen? Is it up here maybe? I could get a closer view. Okay. Where's the UFO though? Are UFOs gone? Yeah, where's it? No. Why don't know UFOs? Yep, no UFO. Wait, was I the wrong bet? Guys, I think I was on the wrong bet. Yeah, I was on the wrong bet. Oh my goodness. Well, what happened to my voice? Yeah, I was like, well. It should be around here somewhere, right? I bet that's bulging out. It should be around here. Where did it go? Tell me, Boulder, where did it go? Oh, no! You didn't see that. Oh, great, now we can go. How could this get any worse? It's not the best game ever. There's no UFO when last time I landed here before. Wait, I think there's one near Shefty. Might be. What? Okay, can you guys see the screen okay? If you could, something weird happened. Okay, something weird happened. I might have cut that off. It went way south. And my game is glitching now. Why is it so quiet? Oh, wait. Act better. Come on, Will. You can do it. Tell's mine. This Tell's on it. What are you doing? What? We get Also, you have to admit, it was like I once was wearing Indiana Jones, and there was like a sunset behind me, and I was doing this, and like, my instincts were perfect. Like whenever something was coming, I would like jump. Why am I so close to me? I would like jump. Like when I saw it, I would jump. And it would just look like a movie, because I was wearing Indiana Jones, it would look like one of the Indiana Jones movies. You can't get up here, but I can as well. Okay. What do I do? I'm going to What you doing now? Alright, let me ride you. Let me ride you. Jump. Jump. You're not that good swimmer, are you? You're very fast to run, but not fast to move. For some reason, Will's feet are satisfied. Patting on the floor. Oh, great. Now he's getting it. whoa. Right, hopefully my wolves ready soon. Okay, that's fixed car. I think that he's ready. I'm on my way. Great. Just when I get in the snowy bed. Just when I get in the snowy bed. Right? Just it had to be. Oh no, wait. There we go. Oh wait, this is a good bit to do my something. Wait, and then I'm gonna go do that. Wait, that's good. Oh no, that. Wait. Oh my goodness. I wanted not. Is it 50 now? No, my bad. No, it's 50 now. I remember they used to do 40. They definitely used to do 40, right? Anyone else remember that? Oh, you saying I'll play on Nintendo Switch and never play on TV. And when I record video, it's basically I'm playing on TV. So if you're wondering why I'm better. See, that wouldn't have happened if I wasn't on TV. If I wasn't normal, then. Oh wait, there's a guy riding a hog. Well, I'm bored and hog ambush. And then if you kill him, you can get it me. Well, again. Okay. Let's check Darth Vader. I want to kill Darth. Hold up, wait a minute. I just said I'm going to kill Darth Vader. I just said I am Darth Vader. I want to kill the fake Darth Vader. Because he stole my lightsaber and my stormtroopers. So, yeah. I'm already wearing it. Also, there's this funny thing when I meet Darth Vader. You'll see it and when we get in. Also, I don't use Darth Vader with his metal detector. Yeah, his pickaxe metal detector. That's what I call it, a metal detector, because it's horrible. I thought we were gonna get lightsabers. I use this, the light blades. No, not 2 minutes. If you're wondering what that 2 minutes is meaning, it's just my time. I'm gonna go over it because I can, because I'm recording a video. Best backbling ever, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use his backbling.